This is the main event we have organized today. In between us, our chief guest has came here, inviting guests in honor onto the dais is like adding fragrance to our
Let's all stand and
Exactly,
invite
no
the
time has arrived to invite the honorable chief guest. I would like to invite first of all our chief
Stand and
guest,
invite
Dr. Santosh Kumar Garu, Deputy Director of BOUI in Telangana Zone. To say a few words about Dr. Santosh Kumar Garu, he is a man of God, the barrier of pride. He is not only the international preacher, he is a good writer. Wrote many books on spiritual life, also many Christian songs. He is one of the great lyric writers. To say more great word, he is very famous with short movie, Vistu Viplava Jwala, the revolution of Christ. The song Balidan is have made everyone to cry. Also now, he is in final stage of releasing one movie, Dushta, the Power of Enemy. I request everyone to pray for this movie. We invite Brother King Srinu Garu, CBT Principal, Miyapur. Also Brother Gautam Garu, AITC President, Telangana State. Also Ram Babu Garu, Additional Deputy Director of BOUI. And also I am inviting Dr. Banerjee family. And also Brother Pradeep Garu, CBC Principal, Mangalagiri and his family members. Also I am inviting Brother Suman Garu, CBT Miyapur, Vice Principal. Also I am inviting all lecturers of Miyapur, Brother Moshe Garu, Brother Saurabh Garu, Brother Bhimraj Garu, Brother Prabhudas Garu, JBR Patnam, Brother Hari Prasad Garu, Brother Adinarayana Garu, JBR Yellapamata Coordinator. Also Brother Shiva Garu and Brother Sunil Garu from JBRC Karnataka. Please clap. Brother Ratnam Lingala Garu, Christian Minority Department, please come out to the dais, sir. Also Brother Stephen Garu, God Servant Eluru. Also I am inviting Sister Lakshmi Garu, God Servant Virukonda. Brother Samson Garu, Brother Adam Garu from Nandigama, please come out to the dais. Brother Nasar Babu Garu, Prakasam District. Also Brother Guruvaya Garu, JBRC Kurichedu Coordinator. Also Brother Subramanyam Garu, JBRC Chandanagar. Brother Dharmashali Garu, Music Director, please come on to the dais. Also Brother Kranti Garu, Uppada Village, Kakinada. Kranti Garu, Uppada Village, Kakinada. Also Brother Chalapati Garu, Vardhaman Madam Garu, God Servant from Tekkali. Also I am inviting Brother Rupender Garu, God Servant, Sister Nagalakshmi Garu, Kakinada. Sister Ratna Kumari Garu, Kakinada. Brother Saurabh Garu from Kakinada and Brother Vijay Kumar from Kakinada.